Hello and welcome. Get ready to munch on the crispiest and tastiest multigrain almond sticks ever. In a mixing bowl, I have taken 1/3 cup of coconut oil and 4 to 5 tablespoons of jaggery powder. You can always use ghee instead of coconut oil. Whisk it nicely so that the coconut oil and jaggery is creamy in texture. Sieve in 1 cup of multigrain atta. You can also use maida if you like cookie texture. I have taken few almonds and powdered them. It came around 4 to 5 tablespoons of almond powder. Since my bowl was little small, I sieved it in a larger plate and now I am adding it to the oil and jaggery mixture. Mix it all nicely with the fork until the dough is crumbly. Now transfer it onto a working surface. Try to knead it nicely with your hands. Make sure to be gentle while doing this process. You can add milk if needed to get the dough to a perfect consistency. There you go, the dough is ready. Now it is all up to you how you work it out and cut it into the cookie shapes that you desire. Since I wanted it to be a sticks kind, I am shaping them in the form of a rectangle and pressing few leftover almond bits. After sieving, I am pressing them onto the almond dough and start to slice into rectangles just as the way shown here. Remember, the size and shape also affects the baking time and temperature. So if it is this size of almond sticks, you need to bake it for about 20 minutes at 175 degrees centigrade. Here I am arranging the sticks on a greased parchment paper on a baking tray. Pop it in the oven and wait for 20 minutes for the tasty snack to get ready. There you go. The almond sticks are nicely baked. After resting them on the baking tray for about 10 minutes, transfer them onto a wire rack. And once they are completely cool, you can serve them with chai or just eat them as is, like a healthy snack. Thank you for watching. Please let me know how you like this recipe, and if you love the video, kindly like and subscribe to my channel so that I can come with many such kind of recipes. Thank you so much.